Everyone's talking about faceless YouTube channels, how to make $10,000 a month with stock footage and AI voices, how to build an automated video empire. And sure, that model works. But what if I told you the smartest creators aren't focused on YouTube at all? They're building faceless AI channels in places no one's watching. And they're quietly printing money. No subscribers, no voiceovers, no algorithm chasing, just systems running in the background, bringing in income without being seen. What is a channel without YouTube? Let's redefine the word for a second. When you hear channel, you think of subscribers and videos. But in 2025, a channel is something else entirely. It's a stream of content, consistently posted, on a platform that reaches people and monetizes attention or behavior. YouTube isn't the only one. In fact, it might be the most crowded. Creators are now using AI to run Pinterest boards that auto-post design ideas linked to affiliate products, Spotify playlists and podcasts generated with AI voice tools, Medium publications written with GPT and lightly edited, LinkedIn pages that post daily AI-generated content for business leads, Gumroad storefronts that receive traffic from SEO-optimized AI blogs, even Quora spaces and Reddit accounts that use AI to create comment loops and upsell info. These are quiet channels. There's no face, no brand, no fame, just content plus systems equal income. Because these platforms don't require you to be a personality. They reward volume, value, and search behavior. Let's take Pinterest. You upload 10 AI-generated pins a day. Each pin links to an affiliate product or Gumroad file. You let the algorithm do the work. Or Spotify. You use ElevenLabs to voice a batch of guided affirmations or sleep meditations. Upload as a series with podcast.co or rss.com. Monetize via ads or low-ticket upsells in the show notes. These channels don't care who you are, they just need something to publish, consistently. And AI now makes that possible at scale, without burnout. Everyone's looking for views, but these creators are looking for leverage. They build quiet storefronts, evergreen audio content, search-optimized articles, auto-scheduled pin boards, syndicated lead magnets, and over time, those quiet efforts compound. While others are grinding for likes, they're earning in the background. Let's pull back the curtain. Because while most people are focused on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, the creators who are building quiet, faceless income channels are showing up in unexpected places. And they're using AI to run the whole system. Yes, Pinterest. It's not just recipes and home decor, it's a massive search engine with buyer intent, and AI makes it easier than ever to feed it content. Here's how these faceless channels work. AI tools like Midjourney, Canva, or Microsoft Designer generate niche visual content for fitness routines, tattoo ideas, journaling prompts. Captions and pin descriptions are written with ChatGPT. Each post links to a monetized destination, an affiliate product, Gumroad download, or Etsy digital listing. Scheduling tools like Tailwind post 10 to 30 pins per day, completely hands-off. These creators aren't influencers, they're system builders. And Pinterest's evergreen algorithm means those pins can drive clicks for months after posting. Spotify has quietly become a haven for AI-powered audio channels. What used to take recording equipment, guests, editing, now takes a few prompts and a voice clone. The model used ChatGPT to script meditations, affirmations, stories, or quick lessons. Voice them with ElevenLabs, Murph, or Play.ht. Upload daily or weekly using podcast.co, rss.com, or even Spotify for podcasters. Monetize with built-in podcast ads, subscription-only episodes, lead magnets in the show notes, product mentions or affiliate links, no face, no social following, just content to platform to pay out. These aren't just for writers anymore. They're for strategists who understand platform traffic. Medium lets you earn via their partner program, based on read time. Quora Spaces can generate leads to your product, landing page, or email list. How creators run these: Use GPT-4 to generate daily articles around niche search terms. Add light editing to match platform tone. Schedule and post using tools like Typefully or Medium's native scheduler. Add CTAs that redirect to monetized links. The key? Use AI to write for intent, not just noise. Think best minimalist packing list. AI tools for bookkeepers. How to sleep better with sound therapy. These long-tail topics pull in real readers and real earnings. Some creators use all of the above just to feed one thing, a faceless Gumroad storefront. They build niche digital products with AI, then drive traffic from Medium blogs, Pinterest pins, email funnels, search-optimized content. Each piece of content is just a touch point, a breadcrumb that leads back to a product page, and AI powers every step. No single point of failure, zero pressure to be a creator. Entire workflows can be templated, multiple income types, passive, recurring, lead capture. You're not going viral, you're going systemic. And the people doing this, they're not loud, they're not dancing on reels, they're just cashing in quietly. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a designer, and you don't need to go viral. These faceless AI channels can be built in a few hours, using tools you already have access to. Let's break down how to actually do it. Step 1. Pick a platform with leverage. The first step is choosing the right kind of channel, not just the topic. Ask yourself, where are people searching for what I can provide? You're looking for platforms that reward searchability like Pinterest, Medium, Quora, Spotify, passive traffic potential, monetization without followers. Let's say you pick Pinterest. Step 2. Define your quiet niche. This is key. You don't want broad. You want specific but useful. Some examples: minimalist living tips, tattoo design inspiration, emotional journaling prompts, budget home workout routines, and AI productivity tools. The narrower you go, the easier it is to rank and stand out. Think of it like a search engine. You want people to find you on purpose. Step 3. Build a simple content machine. Now let's talk tools. And this is where AI shines. Here's a starter Pinterest channel example. ChatGPT generates ideas and descriptions. Prompt: give me 30 minimalist productivity hacks with one-sentence tips and short titles. Canva Pro turns ideas into vertical pin graphics. Use a clean template and swap out content fast. Tailwind or Pinterest scheduler automates daily posting. Set it and forget it. Do this once and you have 30 to 60 days of content rolling in quietly. Here's how some of these faceless AI channels are built behind the scenes, with simple platform combos. Spotify uses ChatGPT to write scripts, voice them with ElevenLabs, and upload to podcast.co or rss.com. Medium generates articles with ChatGPT, polishes them in Grammarly, and posts directly to Medium. Quora uses GPT to craft helpful answers and adds a call to action that links to a lead magnet or product. Gumroad creates a digital product using ChatGPT and Canva, then drives traffic with AI-generated content from other platforms. These aren't hacks, they're systems, and once set up, they keep working in the background. No audience, no mic, no camera, just systems that stack quietly in the background. Step 4. Connect the monetization. This is where you plug in the money. Depending on the platform, here's how these faceless channels actually make money. On Pinterest, they earn through affiliate links, digital product links, or Etsy-style storefronts. On Spotify, they monetize with built-in podcast ads or premium subscriber-only episodes. On Medium, they get paid directly through the partner program based on how long people read. On Quora, they funnel readers into email lists that later sell a product. And on Gumroad, it's straight-up digital product sales 24/7. You don't need all of them. Just one content stream and one destination equals a quiet revenue machine. Here's the cheat code. Once you build for one platform, reuse it. Pinterest pins can be used as blog headers. Medium posts can be turned into podcast scripts. Audio from Spotify can become TikToks with visuals. Gumroad products can be bundled or upsold later. You're not creating more, you're repurposing with intent. and AI makes it seamless. By now, you've seen how it works. You don't need followers, you don't need videos, and you don't need to become a personal brand. You just need a useful idea, a repeatable AI-powered system, and a platform that monetizes attention, even in silence. This is the quiet creator strategy, and it's how thousands of people are making money without ever showing their face. Let's wrap this up by connecting the mindset that makes it all work. Mindset number 1. Think systems, not posts. Most people wake up thinking, what should I post today? Quiet creators wake up thinking, what can I set up today that still works tomorrow? They don't chase content, they build channels that flow on their own. Even if it's just one new pin, one new blog post, one new podcast episode, it's part of a system. And over time, those systems stack and compound. You don't need to be loud to earn online, but you do need leverage. That means creating once, distributing forever, automating with AI instead of managing tasks manually. Thinking in content ecosystems, not single uploads. The goal isn't fame, it's quiet traffic. That leads to quiet purchases. That lead to quiet freedom. Most creators quit after 2 or 3 tries. Quiet creators keep going, because once you find a system that works, even just a little, you can clone it. One Pinterest board becomes 3. One AI podcast becomes a whole channel. One blog becomes a syndication stream, one Gumroad product becomes a bundle, then a funnel. You don't have to scale content, you scale distribution, and AI makes it possible without a team. This isn't fast money, it's quiet money. It won't get you followers, it won't trend, it won't impress people at parties, but it will let you work less, earn while offline, and build assets that don't depend on your face, voice, or presence. That's real freedom. And it's being built right now by people you'll never hear about, because they're too busy collecting checks from channels you'll never see. If you got value from this, imagine what happens when you stop chasing what everyone else is doing, and start building your own quiet empire. Like the video, share, and subscribe for more content on how to build AI-powered systems without showing your face. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial or business advice. Always do your own research before starting any income-generating activity. Results mentioned are not typical and may vary based on effort, skill, and market conditions.